My name is Steve Cadrain. I'm 74 years old. I run and I do dragon boat racing. I'm from Woburn, Massachusetts, and I've come to hear about Dr. Franke on the radio. It was interesting to me because I have had shoulder surgery on both of my shoulders, where I've had what they call a complete shoulder replacement. And so I would discourage anyone from getting this surgery without pursuing other avenues such as Dr. Franke. And so anyway, I had a race coming up. I wanted to go see if Dr. Franke would help out with my ankle, which has been bothering me for the past 6-7 months. And I went to see him. I ran the race without any issues, without any pain. It was absolutely amazing. And I called Dr. Franke's office and I just left a message and I thanked him. About a year later, I had a Brooklyn marathon coming up, half marathon coming up. And I wanted to try it again because it was about a year. And again, same ankle. And then I put a different location. Again, ran that marathon, had another half marathon about 4 weeks after that. And I ran that marathon without issue. And since I saw Dr. Franke for my second visit, I've run 3 half marathons, 1 full marathon, and 2 long races. And it's part of what they call the New York City 5-borough series. So in other words, you run all 5 boroughs. It's part of New York Roadrunners. And I was able to do that without any pain in my ankles. So I'm extremely thankful that I was able to hook up with Dr. Franke. He's been so helpful. So what I've done to many of my friends, I have actually referred them to Boston Prolotherapy. And they're runners, they're athletes. Some are young and some are not so young. The ones that are not so young, you tend to have issues such as stiffening joints, arthritis, and Boston Prolotherapy has basically been a godsend for me and some of my other friends that I have introduced to Boston Prolotherapy. It's been a godsend for them. So I actually highly recommend seeing Dr. Franke. If not anything, he's going to be very honest with you, and it's the best thing that's ever happened to me.